Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you our income report as resellers for the month of October 2019. This report includes our income from 3 platforms, eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Those are our main selling platforms. It doesn't include any other income like our our rental property, any digital downloads that we get from various places. What other income do we have? We have a couple other YouTube, stuff like that. It's really just our reselling income, and it's really just sales just because it's quick. I can show you what our sales are without having to do a bunch of math. So I just thought I would share that with you, and let's get started. So before I get started, I like to tell you how much time and work we put into the business during that month. So we put 226 new items on eBay. This is not an accurate number. Usually I keep really good track of this, but because we had just come back from a 5-week-long road trip and we went from, I think, close to 700 items down to 100 items that we brought with us, we had to relist a lot of items, and I didn't quite track that as much as I had liked to, so we really did relist more than 226 items. Side note, down in the description box below, you can see some vlogs from our trip. I'm posting one every week until I'm done because I want to have those memories. So I'll link that down below. It's on a different channel. So there's that. And then we also cross-posted 185 items to Poshmark. We are focusing on eBay and Poshmark at the moment. I'm posting very little to Mercari. It's just so much harder to keep track of stuff on Mercari because it's harder to search for items when they sell, etc. So and then the hours that we worked reselling in October is about 50 hours. I calculate this based on the Rescue Time app, which I will link down below. It's just an app that runs in the background on your computer and keeps track of all the activities that you're doing. Also the Screen Time app on my phone, and just kind of calculating how much time we usually spend shipping and sourcing, stuff like that. So it's an estimate, but about 50 hours. We weren't here the first week of October. We were still on our trip, so it was really just about 3 weeks. 3.5 weeks of working. And now let's get into how much we made. Sorry, I just have this on my computer here. Okay, so in eBay, we sold $1,285.73. We sold a total of 49 items, and our average sale price, including shipping, was $26.23. On Poshmark, we sold $380 worth of items, and that was a total of 24 items. And our average sale price was $15.80. And then we had no sales on Mercari. Like I said, we're not really focusing that much on Mercari right now. Once you list something on Mercari and it's been a couple of weeks, unless someone's looking very specifically for that item, it's rare that it's gonna sell. So on Mercari, we just actually yesterday I just went through and deleted all of our listings and listed a couple of things. So I think I'm gonna maybe list 20 to 30 items on there here and there, stuff that has been listed for a while that might sell on Mercari. But I'm not really going to put a lot of time into that because we really want to focus on eBay and Poshmark. Those are the platforms that are doing the best for us, and we don't want to spend too much time listing on a platform that isn't doing that well for us. So there's that information. So our total for the month of October is $1,665.73 with a total of 73 items sold. This is down a lot. If you watched a lot of my other videos, this is down a lot from our normal, but because we did go on that trip and we are building back up, it's gonna take some time. I suspect that November will be much better, hopefully at least double that, probably more, as we're putting a lot of time into listing a lot of items that are really good quality. So what did we do in October? Like I said, we were on our trip for the first week of October, and then when we came home, we just focused on relisting items and listing new items. We're listing a lot right now. That's really the main focus, as it usually is with reselling. Our plans for November it's our first full month back, so we're going to be listing a lot more. It's also the holidays, so we're going to be sourcing some holiday items and hopefully some new with tags items, because those items do better for gifts and such, or vintage items also do well because people don't mind getting pre-owned stuff if it's vintage. But our goals for November are to list 600 new items on eBay, to cross-post at least 300 items to Poshmark, and we're hoping for a minimum of $5,000 in sales across both platforms. I think that we can definitely do that. So wish us luck, and hopefully this video was helpful for you. I like to keep it short and sweet. How have your sales been doing? I know a lot of people have been experiencing slower than they expected sales. Comment down below with how your sales are doing, and if you haven't started selling, tell me why you haven't started selling, because you should. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps tell YouTube that you like this video and shows it to more people. Thank you. Bye.